Library before. How was your experience?
Horrifying, but exhilarating.
Oh, that's very nice. By a beautiful baby.
Thanks, I got him at the haunted library, actually.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Wonderful. Now, what are some survival tips for someone who has never gone before?
Couple of tips. Use the bathroom beforehand, so don't make the mistake that I made. Also, don't get lost. It's really dark in there, so make sure you kind of stay with your group. And then 2, I think it's important to go with a buddy, so if there's a monster, your friend will get eaten and not you.
Of course. All right. Anything else to say?
Come to the haunted library on October 18th.
Sir, have you ever been to the haunted library or haunted union?
I have indeed. I was a guide at it last year.
Oh, really? What are some of the experiences entail of that?
Well, I had a really fun time. It's very spooky, definitely pulls it off well. Pretty much when everything goes well, it's a great experience.
Oh, that sounds amazing. What are some maybe tips or tricks for your survival guide for the haunted library or union?
Well, the most important thing, obviously, is to go with some friends. It's really an experience that you want to enjoy with other people you know. But also, staying with the group. And lastly, you're going there to have a good time, not the thing that makes it not go as well is when there's a person in a group who's going there specifically to try as hard as possible not to be scared. I saw that a lot where someone goes around going, trying to point out every flaw they can find, and they'll eventually be caught by a jump scare that they're looking for, but it just ruins the experience. So go there to have fun and just be in a spooky environment.
All right, I respect that.
Have you ever been to the haunted library here before?
Nope.
What do you plan on going perhaps?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, really? What are some expectations or what are things you've possibly heard about it?
I've heard that it's pretty scary.
I hope it's pretty scary.
Us too. All right. Have you ever been to the haunted library before?
I have been the last 3 years in a row.
Oh, really? What are what's your experiences been like?
It's very fun, a little scary, but nothing too much, I would say. It's something you can handle.
Oh, that sounds fair. What are some trips and tricks for the kids at home?
Always wear closed-toed shoes in case you get too scared and you want to run. You don't want to just run out of your shoes. You don't want to leave your shoes behind. Tie them really well, maybe a double knot. That could be important, and that's my biggest tip.
All right, thank you. Oh, so, ma'am, have you ever been to the haunted library?
No, I haven't.
Oh, really? Do you plan on going perhaps?
Yes, I do.
What are some things you've heard or what are you expecting from the haunted library?
So I've heard that it's a lot of fun, and I'm just really excited to get spooked on this Friday.
Or next Friday?
Next Friday, sorry. Next Friday.